In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the C major 7 chord. Here we go. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials. So the C major 7 chord is made up of the root, which is C, the third, which is E, the fifth, which is G, and then the seventh, which is B. The first way I'm going to show you is in an open position. And it goes like this. If you know your C major chord already, you just play that and you take off your first finger. That's all it is, but I'll go through the steps. So you take your third finger, put it on third fret of the fifth string, and then second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And you strum strings 5 to 1. The second way I'm going to show you is where we add our first finger to that. So it's a C chord, C major chord. So that's first fret on the second string. And then we're going to put our pinky on the fourth fret of the third string. And that's still a C major 7. And I really like this one because you have this minor second interval right in there. Now, between the first one and the second one. The third way I'm going to show you how to play this chord is in the third position. We're going to put our first finger on the third fret of the fifth string, our third finger on the fifth fret of the fourth string, our second finger on the fourth fret of the third string, and our fourth finger on the fifth fret of the second string. And strum strings 5 to 2. Now you can also flatten your finger and play a bar chord. And that way you get the higher note. And the fourth and last way I'm going to show you is in the 8th position. We're going to put our first finger on the 8th fret of the 6th string, our second finger on the 8th fret of the second string, and then we're going to put our third and fourth fingers on the 9th fret of the fourth and third string. And you strum from strings 6 to 2. Your first finger will be kind of at a 45-degree angle. That mutes the fifth string. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Also, if you want free charts of scales, chords, and exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.